Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you weirdly lost within your cells? You have a lot of cells and you know how don't know how much cells you have made? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can keep track of your cells. Well, first of all, the first thing that I've always been talking about is when you try to list an item, you need to add a quantity to it. So, for example, if you have 10 of iPhones that you are selling on eBay, you need to put the quantity when you list them. In case you didn't, well, the item will be not out of stock when you sell 10 items of this iPhone, so you will still be getting orders that are above the quantity that you actually have. In that case, you will be canceling these orders so you can refund people their money, and so you can tell them that you don't have the product anymore, and this will decrease your ratio on eBay. So to keep track of your sales and to keep everything simple, you need to add the quantity. Also, when you get here to orders, you will be able to see every single product that has been sold. Now my list is empty since this account is not a seller and I don't sell anything on eBay, but at this moment, this is the place where you are going to find all your sales. All you need to do is to actually filter them very well to a current month, or basically to the current year when you updated your product list, and keep seeing all the lists. You can filter them also by buyer, or basically by product, so you can get exactly which kind of product have you sold and the quantity that you have sold, so you can keep track of all your sales. Also, you can get the total number of your orders right here once you have them already in your accounts. And yeah, this is very easy, very simple thing to actually manage and to see. It is right on my eBay right here on orders, and you can see all your sales. Thank you guys, and see ya in the next video.